call me on my flip phone. Right when I got home from school, call me on my flip phone. Snap it open, dang, I'm cool. My mom said to stop texting. We don't have standard messaging. But my mom said to stop texting. Unlimited was not a thing. Everybody thought that I was cool. Customized Little John ringtone. Imagine all the ladies that I'd bring home. Open up to me just like my flip phone. Ever since I got on phones too, I'd call myself just to hear my phone ring. 30-second clips, just not the whole thing. I'll send your call to voicemail just to hear and sing. Now you don't call me on my flip phone. Right when I get home from school, because you have an iPhone. You no longer think that I'm cool. You group text while you're Snapchatting. I still don't have text messaging. You're Instagramming and tweeting. I still can't use emoji things. These days, all I do is wonder why my car phone's been replaced with something else. Wonder why my pager's been replaced with something else. Wonder why my house phone's been replaced with something else. Don't need nobody else, I don't need nobody else, no. You were my first phone, I won't leave you alone. Even if you got no bars, you'll always be in my zone. Yeah, you'll always find a home as my all-time favorite phone. You used to call me on my flip phone.
Hey Mom.
I actually made myself cry for this video. So, if you liked it, make sure you click like, it helps a lot. As always, more parodies on the way, more videos on the way, so subscribe to be notified of future videos. I will see you then at 5.
I'm like, oh, I think that I found myself a math teacher. She can convert my feet into meters. Oh, I think that I found myself a math teacher. She can convert her cups into liters.